1956 Fairlane Victoria. It's my first car I ever owned. I've had the car 52 years. I've got my driver's license in this car.
Wow.
I bought it from a friend of mine that I went to high school with. And I've had it, like I say, 62 years.
Wow. And your name's Terry Henderson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you haven't done any modifications to it, I can see, except for the wheels?
No, that's about it, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a beautiful car.
Yeah. Put everything back original paint. Everything's original on it.
I noticed they had the original interior. That's fairly something you don't see many in cars, because that's usually the first thing that wears out.
Well, that's it's been redone, but that is the
original pattern.
Original pattern. Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah, original pattern and seats, color and everything on it.
Okay. Well, thank you for bringing it out and showing it.
Hey, I'm glad that's what it's for, y'all. People to enjoy it. They enjoy people putting by it and talking about it.
Yeah.
Taking pictures at it.
All right, well, everybody, check out the video. Look up Mr. Henderson's car. And I enjoyed talking with you about it.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, this is Solon with American Rodder Channel. Now please like, subscribe, and share if you like these videos. It won't cost you a dime, but will help my little channel to grow greatly, and I appreciate that. Also, please leave a comment on what type of cars you'd like to see featured on this channel. We'll try to get those in the mix for you. Thanks again. Until next time, everybody. Be safe, be kind, and hot rod daily.